हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अधीरा बाय अदिति जैन। सो आज हम न्यू ईयर्स ईव के लिए फ्रेंड के घर जा रहे हैं डिनर पे। एंड बिफोर दैट आई विल गेट रेडी एंड आई विल शो यू सम ऑफ माय मेकअप स्किल्स दैट आर वेरी बेसिक एंड एनीबडी कैन डू दैट एट देयर होम। सो कीप वॉचिंग। आज का मैं मेकअप शुरू करती हूँ। सो फर्स्ट पार्ट आई डू इज primer. This is a Oriflame Gaetano Gold Primer. It's very nice, guys. You must try this. You should take like 4 to 5 drops of it. Primer is very important for the makeup and it has a little shine in it also. So our face looks very subtle and shiny due to primer. Next and most important step is correcting, as I have a dark circles, so I use this color for my dark circles, covering my dark circles. And when I do very basic makeup, I use very little of it because I don't want to do very heavy eye makeup, so I'll use very little of it. Next I use this concealer. This is of L'Oreal Paris True Match. It's very amazing, guys. Its coverage is very nice. थोड़ा सा आप जिनके डार्क सर्कल्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा यूज़ कर सकते हैं। आईज के अलावा जहाँ पर हमें कंसीलर यूज़ करना चाहिए, लिप्स के साइड में इन यहाँ पर, these parts are pigmented parts and अगर if you have some acne on your face you must do some concealer little bit. See, by using very small amount of concealer, full coverage is done. Before using more base on my face, I'll do my eyes. And today I'll go very basic. First I'll use this Huda Beauty palette. इसमें से I'll use this basic color. So my one color is done, and next I use the Color Workshop palette and I'll use this color brownish. This eye makeup is very basic. You can easily do it by yourself. So my eye makeup is almost done within 2 minutes, and I forget to add some shimmer. Little bit smudging gives a very nice look on your eyes. That I'll use liner, this Sugar eyeliner, Bone to Wing gel eyeliner. Brush also comes with it. My eyeliner and kajal is done, and I'll use this now. As I already told you that I'm doing very basic makeup, so instead of foundation I'm using this CC cream. This is also by Oriflame Gaetano range. This is exclusive range of Oriflame, as people have a myth that Oriflame products are not that much good, but this range is very nice. It's foundation, it's blush. I have all the products of this range. I'll show you in some other vlog. Yeah, I spread my primer with my hands because I have to merge it properly. And now I'm using a foundation brush. So this can spread evenly on my face. My CC cream is done, but still there is little darkness under my eyes, so I'm using more concealer on it. Now after this, I use this whitening rose powder by Lakme. Under eyes, I use little bit much more. I'll spread it after some time. Now I'm using this mascara by Smashbox. This is Super Fan Mascara. It's very nice. It's very thick, so I also use this Sugar Mascara to open my lashes properly. Mascara done. Now I'll spread this. For the natural makeup, you must always give simple look to your face. You don't have to do contouring. So my blush, I'm using this Nykaa Blush Duo palette. For highlighter, I'm using two highlighters. First, I'll use this highlighter by Benefit. It's in liquid form, so we have to apply it by our hands. अगर आप ब्रश से यूज करोगे तो इसका सारा खत्म हो जाएगा. And after that, I also use this again Nykaa palette. I love this. That's why it's almost finished. This part you should mix these two highlighters. It gives more better look. Last but not least, I'm using this lipper. This is by Kat Von D and it's very nice color. It's one of my favorite. This color name is Lovecraft. So last touching. So last I'm using this makeup spray by Urban Decay. Guys, this is my first makeup video for my viewers and I'm not professional. So अगर कुछ भी आपको ऐसा लगे जो कि इससे ज़्यादा better हो सकता है, please mention in comments. And I also want to show my jewelry for today. This is by Adira's Closet Only from my venture. This is inspired by Deepika Padukone's look. So if you want to buy it, you can check my website. I'll show you my full look soon. Stay tuned. Guys, हम पहुंच गए हैं and we are enjoying our meal and in between Gaurav is taking rounds. Hi Gaurav.
Hi.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, too much fun. Every day, every night.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
गौरव, तुम्हारा ये साल कैसा रहा?
साल मेरा लोगों से पूछ लो कैसा साल रहा. हाँ घटिया. अच्छी बात है, जा रहा है 2021 अच्छा हो हमारे लिए, सबके लिए, बस यही दुआ है.
गाइस, हम वहाँ से निकल गए हैं एंड आप लोग सोच रहे हो मेरे फ्रेंड्स कैमरे के आगे क्यों नहीं आए. दे वर वेरी शाई. आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट बट दे वर लाइक वी कांट डू दैट एंड यू नो दैट एवरीवन इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द कैमरा. एंड लुक एट द व्यू आउटसाइड, इट्स वेरी फॉगी. हमेशा इंडिया में ऑन 1 जनवरी इतना ही फॉग रहता है. इनफैक्ट इससे ज़्यादा रहता है. आज तो मच बेटर वेदर है. So guys, countdown begins. 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year,
Happy New Year,
everyone.
guys! Happy New Year!
ये आने वाला साल आप सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा हो।
और हमारे लिए भी बहुत अच्छा हो।
Exactly. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New-
Wish you
Happy New
a
Year, guys.
healthy New
Happy
Year to everyone.
हैप्पी न्यू लव यू ऑल।
ये है मेरे शिवम भाई। भाई हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
हैप्पी न्यू
हैप्पी न्यू
ईयर।
ईयर एवरीवन। एक बार चिल्ला के। व्यूअर्स के लिए कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
आने वाला साल
सबके लिए
सबके
बहुत
लिए
अच्छा
हो।
और बहुत
ऑल
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर ऑल।
healthy भी हो। Happy New Year! This year was a roller coaster ride for everyone, but I want to wish all a very happy New Year. May this year bring lots and lots of happiness and a healthy life to everyone. Guys, हमने लास्ट ईयर से एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ सीखी है कि हमारे लिए फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी हमारा घर, हमारी फैमिली, ये सब होना चाहिए। तो आई वांट कि हम 2021 में भी इस चीज़ को कंटिन्यू रखें एंड हम अपनी सेफ्टी मेजर्स का भी ध्यान रखें। एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, वी शुड लीड अ हेल्दी लाइफ सो दैट any type of virus cannot affect our life. And I wish to God again and again that he spreads a positive energy all over the world. Hope you like my vlog today. Keep watching my vlogs. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and comment if you need anything to suggest me for further videos. Thank you.